Dear student, today's topic is types of partners. It is from chapter 2 and the name of chapter 2 is Forms of Business Organization. Types of partners. There are following types of partners. First is active partners. Active partners are those partners who participates in the management of the firm or who takes interest in the activities of the firm and their liability is unlimited. Their liability is unlimited, that has no limit, and he also contributes capital in the firm. He is also entitled to get the profit or loss of the company. Second is sleeping or dormant partners. As this partner name is clear, sleeping. Sleeping means the partner who is not active is called sleeping or dormant partners. It means sleeping partners does not takes part in the management of the firm, but he is bound to follow to accept the activities of other active partners. Even such partner do not take part in the management, but what the decisions are taken by the management, this partner is ready to accept it. They also contribute capital and gets share in the profit. Next is secret partner. Secret means hidden partners. Secret partners are those partners whose relation with the firm is hidden. No outsiders does not know the name of that partners, that particular person is the partner of the firm, but he contributes capital, takes active part in the management, and their liability is also unlimited. Fourth is nominal partners. The word nominal means real. It means nominal partners are not the real partners. These partners don't contribute any capital, they don't take part in the management, and they don't have unlimited liability. They don't get any type of share in the profit or loss of the firm. Then what does he do? He only lends his name and reputation. Reputation means fame, for the interest of the firm, for the benefit of the firm, and this person is fully liable to outsiders who has given the debts to the firm and believing that he is a partner in that firm. Believing that he is a partner in that firm, it means the person who has given the debts on behalf of this person who is not a real partners of the firm. But these nominal partners are of two types. First is nominal partner by estoppel. It means the partners who accepts that he is a partner in the partnership firm by his own words or conduct is known as nominal partner by estoppel, and he is liable for the debts which the firm has got because of his reputation. It means the firm that gets debts, debts from outsider to pay back that debts, this partner is liable. Next is nominal partner by holding out. The partner who does not show, show that he is a partner, and if anybody calls him partner, then he also does not oppose them. Such a type of partner is called partner by holding out, and this partner is liable to pay back the debts which the company has got by using his name. ये उस डेट्स को पे ऑफ करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है, लायबल होता है, जो कंपनी ने उसके नाम पर लिया है.